Hi guys, this is James. So, a few days ago, I was fiddling around with one of my keyword tools and I discovered that there is a high search volume for this term, make money online 2022. And noticing that, I kind of gathered that a lot of people want to make money online in 2022 and decided to do this and share my experiences over the last 9 months or so, and also my journey since 2009 in this make money online niche. So, I want to reveal to you one program that has worked tremendously well for me. And I wanted to share with you one program that has worked for me. And I jumped in on this program in May 2021. And I love this program, and here are my top 7 reasons. Reason number one is that this is suitable for newbies and even for people like me who have been on this journey for a long time but have had no success. So you don't need an email list. You don't need to do any emails. You don't need to take any advertisements at all. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is that the developers of this program provide you with all the free tools or they recommend free tools. So you start with no money down. Reason number three is that this is a challenge, meaning that you don't just go through the video training and then sit back and just relax and go through the law of attraction and expect things to fall on your lap. No, you got to get work done. And that leads me to reason number four, which is every week there is a mentoring session. And that will mean that you had better make sure that you have done the task that you are supposed to do to be prepared for the mentoring because you're going to be challenged by the developers of this program. They will put you on the hot seat. And I believe that's the best way. A challenge is the best way with mentoring because then you are forced to do what needs to be done rather than sitting back and thinking that things will happen. So the touchline about this program is that you need to get work done. Now, one of the search terms that I found appearing quite frequently with a high search volume is make money online fast. Now, guys, there's no such thing as making money online fast. There are no push button softwares or loopholes that you can exploit and get millions of bucks over the next week. It doesn't work. You need to get work done. No doubt there will be residual income that's coming in. Now, reason number five is that if you are ever stuck in getting products to promote, the developers of this program will make sure they help you get approval for these products. I've gone through it, and therefore I can vouch that they do this. And you can also see in the community that the group members are requesting the help of these two guys. Yep, there are two guys who develop this program. Now, reason number six is that it works. It works for me. And as I said earlier, since 2009, I've been trying to make money online. And in 2021, boom, I have finally found the formula that has helped me recoup my investment. I have never recouped my investment for the tons of programs that I've been through since 2009. This is the only one. And I would like to share with you what I've gone through as proof that I'm not just talking, this is real. So, as you can see here, I'm logged into my JVZoo account under my name. As you can see, my name is here. And I'm now going to go and show you. And I'm now going to show you where I am in JVZoo since May 2021 that I jumped in on this program. As you can see here, I don't have much sales, 25 plus, and I'm in the top 15% of affiliates. Now, this is not to brag, right? This is just to show you that in this short period, I have been able to make sufficient sales. That 25 plus that you see there was sufficient for me. In fact, it was less than 25, was sufficient for me to recoup my investment in this program. And finally, guys, reason number 7 why I love this program is that the developers of this program are themselves vendors. They're not just affiliates. A lot of programs is just affiliates teaching you how to sell products from others. But these guys are vendors themselves, so they know the insider secrets as well. And this program is known as YEWO, or you can pronounce it as EWO, or it stands for Your Easy Way Out. And don't let the word easy fool you. It is simple, but you still need to get the work done. So if you don't like to get work done, this is not the program for you. And the two developers of this program are Brett Rutecki as well as Mike from Maine, or Mike Thomas, aka Mike from Maine. And I invite you now, click on the link below and go through this short webinar where they explain the entire process and decide for yourself whether you really want to make 2022 the best year for you and the year that you start making money online successfully. That's it from me, James, and I wish you a great 2022.